I want to show you in this video is scheduling, how we do scheduling for serving groups as well as inviting people to that group. So what I'm going to do is go over here to the security team and click on that, and that's going to bring me up to their security team page. And you'll see across this heading right here the different things that you can do. You can look at who the participants are, all those different things, messages between the host team, the calendar for the hosts, different serving spots. So I'm going to go to the needs tab. That's how we currently do scheduling. And as you'll see here, there is the current needs. It does list out, if you want, the past needs of the different needs that we've had. The current need, though, is September and October security spots. So that's what we want to look at. And I want to create a new need. I'm just going to click on this so you can see it first. This is September, October, the dates, and the service times, and then people who took it to work those. See, there's a couple spots open, and if you wanted to, reserve that, I could click on there to work at that spot. So I want to create the next schedule, which is going to be, if this is September, October, we're going to do November and December. I could click New Need and build it from scratch, but I'm going to instead click this old need, or the current one. And then if I edit that current need, there's this little guy over here that says duplicate this need. That's going to make a carbon copy of what we had, so it'll make it a little easier to set that up. So I'm going to duplicate this need. You'll see it says copy here now. And so I'm just going to change the title of that, not to copy, but to November and December security spot, I think is what it was. There's the description for it. And then down here, it has all the different dates for that. So the reason I copied that is so I can make this a little easier. You'll see security, 9 a.m. service, 10:45. And then I'm just going to choose the dates for that. So I'm doing November, December. So there's a November 1st there and November 1st there. That's 9 a.m., 10:45. The following Sunday would be November 8th. Second service, November 8th. You get the idea. November 15, November 15, first service for the 22nd, second service for the 22nd. So that's going to fill up November. And then I'm going to do December, a few weeks in December here, the 6th. The 6th. Then I'm just going to copy. Paste that, copy, I'm just pasting that text so it says the same thing. So I did December 6th, here's December 13, December 20th, and I have one more week to do, so I'm going to do December 27th and December 27th. Copy one more of that. Okay, so I think that's what I want. I'm going to save that and see what it looks like. In just a minute, hopefully it'll show me that. Hopefully, if our internet is working. Well, that's a bummer. It's not going to like that. Okay, so there's the schedule. So you've got all the dates in November and December. So you have 9 a.m. November 1st, 10:45 November 1st for each of those dates all the way down through December. So there's November and December. November, December serving security spot. That's good. So the schedule's built. Now it's just ready for people to sign up. So what I'm going to do is click Inform People. So this need is there. I'm going to click Inform People. And what it does is it brings up the last message that I sent to inform people. So I can probably use similar text. So it's in there. Hey, security team, here is and I'm going to say November and December serving spots available for the security team. Please sign up early and often. Please sign up for spots you can serve. Just follow the link below. Click on the dates, times, positions you'd like to serve. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks, Pastor Aaron. P.S. If you receive this email, it means you're currently listed by the security team. If you prefer to be taken off this group, send me an email. Let me know. Perfect. So that's pretty good. Now I can send it to the whole group, or I can send it to specific people and then start typing their names in. So Paul would show up because he's on these security teams. I could send it to him. If I wanted to send it to somebody who's not on the security team, the person doesn't show up. So I'm going to send this to the whole group, to all the group members, and I'm going to send that, and then we're all going to get an email that says you've been invited to be a part of the security serving team, or to serve at that spot in that schedule. We'll see if I get it here. Government conspiracy. All right, we'll check back later, see if that comes through. So that is how you build a schedule. And if I go back to the group, you'll see that Needs tab is now there. November, December security spot. And you can click on that. And here's all the spots to serve. So anybody who clicks on there, they're going to sign up. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. If you're building it from scratch, you just have to type all those things in versus the copy and the pasting. So that's how you do that portion of it. Then I also wanted to show you how you invite more people to your team. So if I want to see who's on the team, I'm at the Connect Security team. Go to participants here. You'll see the people who are listed as a part of that group. You can add a new member right there on the right. So when I click that, it's going to ask me, how do you want to do that? You want to search for people by name, or how do you want to do that? You can search people by some other way. So I'm going to search them by name if I know who it is. Now you can add them directly, or you can send an invite to them where it'll text this. So you probably want to do the invite. And so let's say I wanted to invite May because I saw she wasn't on there. So there's May Shout. She's going to get it. Hey, May. This is a test email. Please don't respond. You're not really invited to the security team. All right, so then I would click send, and that would be an invite that goes to her. I won't actually send it, I guess. But then she would get that, and she could respond to it. Then what it will show you is if you go to participants, and I think we have to click, oh, wait, no, edit participants list. Here we go. So this tells you who's on the list. So Paul is the assistant leader, Aaron's the main leader. This shows you some of their communication settings. And then these are all the participants. If you're looking for open invitations, that would be after you send an invitation. So May's name would show up here, and it would say awaiting, approval or whatever that she is. Membership requests is people who search you out and want to join. So people can search for the security team if they're looking for open positions. Hey, I'd like to be a part of the security team. They can send a request to become a part of that team. So that's how you would do that. If you're looking to add people, you would click that add or invite new people, and then people by name, and that's how you add people. So that is how you build the schedule through the Needs tab, and then also inviting people to be a part of the security team. So that's the story. All right.